This morning, this is the position of Tropical Storm Elsa. Center is about right here, if you want to call it a center. But what it is, all the bad weather is to the east. The center, so-called center, is about here near Key West. Key West being right there. There's the Keys, right there. All the bad weather, the rain, tornadoes, are on the east side. So that's going to pass over us here in South Florida. Let's see what happens today. It extends all the way down here, which means bad weather for me, maybe for the next couple of days, or at least one more day. But that's update on Tropical Storm Elsa.